Hi everyone, welcome to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Akanksha Prasad, consultant dermatologist. Lasers have revolutionized dermatology, offering remarkable treatments for a wide range of skin conditions, from acne scars to unwanted hair. However, a cloud of misconceptions surround laser treatments, creating confusion and fear. In today's video, we're going to debunk some common myths surrounding lasers and clarify what they truly offer. Let's dive in and separate fact from fiction. Coming to the first myth, laser treatments are extremely painful. While some discomfort may be experienced during certain procedures, most modern lasers are equipped with cooling systems or numbing creams to minimize pain. Procedures like laser hair removal or laser resurfacing may cause mild discomfort, but these are generally well tolerated. Coming to the next myth, laser treatments cause permanent skin damage. A common question that I get asked a lot is that, can laser permanently damage the skin? In reality, modern lasers are designed with precision and safety in mind. Lasers target specific skin structures such as melanin in hair follicles, water in skin cells, or blood vessels without damaging the surrounding tissue. Myth number 3. Lasers are only for cosmetic procedures. While lasers are often associated with cosmetic treatments like hair reduction or tattoo removal, they have a much broader range of medical applications. Lasers are used to treat various skin conditions such as rosacea, acne scars, pigmentation issues like melasma, and age spots. Coming to the next myth, one laser treatment is enough to achieve desired results. While some individuals may see significant improvement after a single session, most laser treatments require multiple sessions to achieve optimal results. The number of treatments vary depending on the condition being treated, the type of laser being used, and the patient's skin type. Lasers make your skin more sensitive to sunlight forever. It's true that skin may be temporarily more sensitive to sunlight following a laser treatment, but this is not a permanent condition. After laser procedures, it is recommended to avoid sun exposure and use sunscreen diligently to protect the skin during the healing process. Lasers can replace all surgical procedures. This is false. For instance, lasers can reduce fine lines and wrinkles, but most severe skin laxity may require surgical procedures, like a facelift. Similarly, while lasers can improve the appearance of scars, they cannot completely remove them. Surgical excision or other treatments may be required for more complicated and profound scars. Laser treatments are too expensive for most people. Another common misconception is that laser treatments are very expensive and only accessible to the wealthy. While some treatments can be costly, the price varies widely depending on the type of laser used, the area being treated, and the number of sessions required. Furthermore, if you see long-term benefits such as permanent hair reduction or scar improvement can make laser treatments a more cost-effective option compared to other therapies or ongoing maintenance treatments. Lasers can cause skin cancer. This is absolutely false, as laser works on light energy, which is targeted towards hair follicles or specific components of the skin. It protects the surrounding skin from damage. If at all marks do occur post the procedure, they can be treated and reversed. The last myth, lasers leave dark marks on areas done. If the laser is done correctly with the correct parameters, it does not leave any post-procedure marks or scars. The key to avoiding complications lies in using the appropriate type of laser and having treatment performed by a qualified and experienced dermatologist. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel for more insights into dermatology and skincare. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please drop them in the comments below. Stay informed and take care of your skin.